Good day, everyone. Today I'm gonna answer this question for questions. Question number one. From switch 2, disable the connection to the laptop. So from this switch, disconnect the connection to this laptop. So I'm gonna go to switch 2. Then first type enable. Then config term. After that, type interface fast Ethernet. Then look what port is this. Point to the dot where it is connected. So from this case, the connection is 9/1. So I'm gonna type 9/1. Then after that, oh wait, sorry, I have misspelled the fast Ethernet. Fast Ethernet 9/1. Then type shutdown to disconnect it. Then you will see it is already red, so it means that it is already disconnected. Question number 2. From switch 3, disable the connection to PC4. So we will go to switch 3 and do the same thing as what we did in switch 2. Enable config term, then interface fast Ethernet. Then point to the dot to see what port is it. So 8/1. 8/1. Then shutdown. So it is already disconnected. Question number 3. From switch 1, disable the connection from the DHCP server. So from this switch. So this port is 0/1. So let us do the same thing. Let's go to the switch 1. Then enable. Then config term. Then interface fast Ethernet 0/1. Then shutdown. And the last number, reestablish the connection for item 1, 2, and 3. So we will reestablish the connection. Let us just do the. We should type no shutdown. Enable to reconnect the connection. And now it is connecting, so let us do to the switch 2 and switch 3. No shutdown. And in the switch 3, no shutdown. So in this case, we are already finished the given questions. Thank you.